This is a brief demonstration on working with charts in Excel 2013. It's different and the same from 2007 and 10. Just when you think you're getting used to everything, Microsoft upgrades. Let's say I want to do a chart on our units sold. So we have this here. We highlight the data. You don't want to put the total row. If I start and do this, I click on recommended charts. It gives me a little preview of different ones we can choose. Let's use this one. It's a clustered column. We say OK. You want to do the total? I'll show a few shortcuts. We could just go into the formula bar and say Acme sales, hit the enter key. It changes it. It gives a pretty good demonstration here. But I want to change the appearance. Some of these are pretty ugly, okay? But let's say we're going to choose this. You want to make some fonts larger to make them show up. I could go on the Home tab. I find this much easier. 11. I make it bold. And let's say here, I want to just make it bold. Let's say I want to make it red. You can do that. Even works here. You can get really fancy. You got two tabs in here, Design and Format. I'm on the design. Let's say we don't want a blue. You click on this blue one, we just double click. And then it shows different things. The bucket, different effects, and other things. So let's say I want to change the fill. It's automatic. I go to color. This is the data point. If I do this, you're going to see something. It just did this one. I'll undo. You want to have all of these selected. I click off the chart. I click back in it. You see how each of these is now highlighted. I can go into a texture fill. I could choose what I want. Marble. Showing you a few basic things. Now let's say you just click on to move it. Let's say I don't want this separate page. Click on Move Chart. Go into a new sheet. Give it a name. Say OK. We've got a brand new sheet. We can move it after this. I'm going to go into here. I'm going to do one other thing. Let's say I want to just do a chart, a pie chart on the items. I highlight this, put my finger on the control key, highlight this, non-adjacent range. I go to Insert. And we could do the recommended charts, but let's say I want to do a pie. I click in here. Let's say I want to do a 3D pie. I've got the 3D pie. Again, when I hold my mouse over it, it gives me a visual representation of what it will be. Some of these are pretty nice. So if you got that, again, you can do a lot more things. Clicking in the formula bar. And then if you click on this, you can go here, data labels, get rid of the title. I have to put it back in. I'll just do a couple of undos. Legend. You do want a legend. You go into here. You can go into colors. This here allows you to filter down. You can change the size of the pie, or explode it. If I click here, click again, I can explode that one little slice on the slacks, undo. You want to make it a little larger, you click again, you could stretch it. You can go here as you do in PowerPoint, move it down. You want to change the background. It says Format Chart Area. It says Automatic. I click on Picture Fill, Little Garish. I could go to the dead fish. I don't know who at Microsoft invented that. The linen. The other thing too is you might like it, make it a little more transparent. So you got that. Few basic things with the charts. Hope this helps you working with it.